In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create advanced shapes in Figma. Figma offers incredible flexibility for design, and understanding how to manipulate basic shapes into more complex forms is a fundamental skill. We'll walk through creating a unique custom shape using Boolean operations, and then use that shape to mask an image, adding a professional touch to your designs. Let's begin by opening up Figma and getting started. Our first step is to create a base for our advanced shape. To do this, simply select the rectangle tool from the toolbar at the top of your canvas, or by pressing the R key. Then, click and drag anywhere on your canvas to draw a rectangle. This will serve as the initial element we'll modify to create our custom design. Don't worry too much about its exact size or position for now, as we can always adjust it later. This rectangle is our foundation. Next, we're going to introduce another rectangle to interact with our initial shape. Once again, select the rectangle tool and draw a second rectangle. Now, critically, position this new rectangle so that it overlaps with the first one in the area where you want to make a modification or cutout. The key here is to strategically place it to create the desired negative space or unique curve that will define your advanced shape. Experiment with different overlaps to see how it affects the outcome. This second shape acts as our cutting tool. With both rectangles now overlapping, we can perform a Boolean operation to combine or subtract them. Select both rectangles by clicking and dragging a selection box around them, or by holding Shift and clicking on each one in the Canvas or Layers panel. Once both are selected, look for the Boolean operations menu in the toolbar at the top of the screen. It usually appears as a set of overlapping shapes. From this menu, click on the Subtract Selection option. You'll immediately see the second rectangle cut out from the first, creating a single, more intricate custom shape. This is how we begin to transform simple forms into something unique. Now that we have our custom shape, let's prepare it for adding an image. Our next step is to create a frame. Frames in Figma are like artboards or containers that organize your design. To add a frame, click on the Frame tool in the toolbar, or simply press the F key. Then, click and drag on your canvas to draw a new frame. You can also select a preset frame size from the Properties panel on the right. Position your newly created custom shape inside this frame. This frame will help contain our masked image and keep our design organized. Finally, we're ready to add a picture and use our advanced shape as a mask. First, drag and drop an image directly onto your Figma canvas from your computer, or use the Place Image Video option from the File menu. Once your image is on the canvas, position it over your custom shape, making sure it covers the entire area you want to be visible through the mask. Now, ensure both the image and your custom shape are selected. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking on both layers in the canvas or in the Layers panel on the left. With both selected, right-click and choose Use as Mask, or locate the mask icon in the toolbar, which looks like a circle inside a square, and click it. Instantly, your image will be clipped by the boundaries of your custom shape, creating a visually appealing and professionally masked element within your frame. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed basic shapes into an advanced custom design and used it to mask an image, all within Figma. This technique opens up a world of possibilities for creating unique graphics and UI elements. Practice these steps, and you'll find yourself creating even more complex and stunning designs in no time.